Hello and welcome everyone to ELIV 2024. Myself, Akash Gupta, Account-Based Marketing Manager at Tata Technologies, is proud to present to you what's happening inside at ELIV this year. ELIV is the world's largest congress for automotive electronics, software and software-defined vehicles. This year at ELIV, we have roughly 1,000 industry representatives, 120 exhibitors presenting their views on the latest innovations in SDVs. For the second year in a row, we, Tata Technologies, are the gold sponsor at ELIV. This event truly demonstrates our journey from a traditional full vehicle service provider to a software-led engineering powerhouse in software-defined vehicles, smart manufacturing, and AI. This year, we have put across a stellar demonstration in partnership with leading embedded solutions providers. Without taking further time of yours, I would now like to take you through the interesting demonstrations which are at display in ELIV. The key theme at ELIV revolves around software-defined vehicle with sessions on insights from industry leaders representing Porsche, D-Space, IBM, TT Tech Auto, and Newsoft, amongst many. They will discuss the current market situation and highlight the key themes resonating at the event. BMW, for instance, will provide a deep dive into their future EE architecture and semiconductor requirements, followed by a session on the future of in-car assistants focusing on generative AI and conversational AI. These will be presented by a leader from Cerence. Expect a dynamic lineup of thought-leading, provoking discussions. Here you have the wall of sponsors where you can see Tata Technologies highlighted as the gold sponsor of this year's ELIV. Here you have the BMW X3 M50 xDrive, which is a high-performance luxury SUV that combines power, precision, and advanced technology. Inside it, it features a premium interior with advanced connectivity, infotainment options, and driver assistance technologies. The X3 M50 Drive offers a perfect blend of sporty driving dynamics and everyday practicality. The day one of the ELIV Congress featured a variety of sessions covering critical automotive domains and topics, including AI in automotive, ASIL and Gen AI, software-defined vehicles, cockpit and custom experience, and e-vehicle mobility. Additional sessions focused on automation and autonomy, automotive trends, and automated driving. Experts also discussed mobility system architecture, electronics technologies, and software-defined mobile applications. These parallel sessions were moderated by thought leaders across the industry. Attendees can also explore the exhibition and startup area throughout the session. The day two of the Congress will feature some interesting discussions where automotive trends and key topics such as digital homologation, software with a focus on cloud, processes related to software-defined vehicles, and security experts like Tara and Mo will discuss. While electrification sessions will feature on advancements in crucial areas related to electrification. Additionally, the session will also highlight innovations in smart sensors and algorithm. Behold, as we now make our way through the bustling exhibition floor of ELIV 2024, we pass by some of the most cutting-edge innovations in automotive electronics. Every booth here offers a glimpse into the future of mobility. Our presence at ELIV reflects a commitment to driving transformation in the industry towards software-defined solutions. So, without taking further time, I would now request leaders to showcase the demonstrations that we have at ELIV 2024. I'm here now with Nachiket Paranjpe, President of Automotive Sales, Tata Technologies. Nachiket, can you please elaborate, with businesses moving increasingly towards software-differentiated products, how is Tata Technologies helping clients accelerate innovation while unlocking new revenue streams and moving towards engineering a software-defined future?
Thanks for the question, Akash. The software-defined vehicles world is changing at a very rapid pace. A lot of new innovations are coming, and Tata Technologies is definitely trying to be on the leading edge of the curve as far as the technology of SDVs is concerned. So as you can see in our booth, we have created multiple demos where we as Tata Technologies partner as the integration and testing partner for various software services. The world of SDV, there are high-end solutions, there are mid-range solutions, there are low-end solutions. So one such demo which we have is for a mid-range solution where we work with telechips, and they have their range of Dolphin SoCs. In those Dolphin SoCs, we ensure that one SoC is capable of running multiple display units, at the same time providing a complete ADAS offering and integration. And Tata Technologies uses its cloud-native development framework to develop software, integrate software, and provide over-the-air support for any kind of updates and any kind of refreshes of software that are needed. So that entire solution is demoed here. As you go ahead, we work with ARM. ARM is our partner for working on the chiplet or chip IP, and we have partnered with their ecosystem of virtualization partners such as Siemens PAVE 360, ARM, and we provided this solution where we work on the IMX95 processor, which is one of the most leading edge and brand new processors that has come in the market, and we have already integrated and provided a certain solution there which can be demoed over here. So that is again something which we are very proud to say that we are the first movers in the market to work on an IMX95 SoC. We also continue to work with other partners, especially in the areas of testing. A new trend that is happening is that we are doing a lot of virtualized testing, development of models in various tools where we virtually do the testing. Now the new trend is that along with virtualized testing, we also have hardware in loop testing, which is combined. So it's a SIL plus HIL kind of offering, which we are demoing here along with our partners in NI. So we have been able to integrate a real ECU, create a virtual model at the same time, and run the process simultaneously so as to improve the productivity and the accuracy of various testing initiatives. So that is our demo here. If you look at our other continuing demos, we continue to work in the field of cybersecurity, where we have automated ways in which we can detect cyber attacks, automated ways in which we can determine the root cause of the attack and immediately mitigate the risk. So these are all new developments and functions that are happening in the SDV world, and Tata Technologies tries to be the partner that really works on the leading edge of technology and also provide the right solutions to accelerate product development, to bring new concepts to the table for OEMs and tier ones alike, and to really bring out the new features that the latest technology is offering for our customers. Thank you.
Thanks, Nachiket. Indeed, Tata Technologies is poised to become a leading software-led engineering services provider in the times to come. I would now like to introduce Sriram Lakshminarayanan, Chief Technical Officer at Tata Technologies, to share how partnerships are key to pushing the boundaries of what's possible. He will highlight some impactful collaborations in SDV, AI-driven product development, or connected vehicle space, and the outcomes we have achieved.
Welcome to Tata Technologies booth. the story that we have today is, as the world is moving towards software-defined everything, software-defined products and services, software-defined vehicles, the theme for us is, if I stand here and if I look at it, I mean, this is kind of like the entire V chain. So all the development onto my right, to the left, and all the security and testing related to that on the right hand side. It's a partnership ecosystem, and hence I wanted to introduce some of the solutions and how our partners are coming in and what is that we are building upon it. So this part of the solution, if you look at it, as the industry is moving towards a single chip solution, so this is a single chip solution considering the 5 screens that you could see. It's infotainment cluster, rear seat entertainment, ADAS. It's a single chip that has come from Telechips, where we have partnered with them. And what is our role as Tata Technology is we have done right from that virgin chip into onboarding of it, and then building applications on top of it, and then getting it into cloud. As a system integrator, I mean, this is where the world is moving towards. And you could see the ADAS system, and you could see the AI-based solutions that are coming onto it. The second part, if you look at it, what you see is, this is the latest IMX95 board, which we got it from NXP. Last ELIV, if you look at it, I mean, we have demonstrated S32, where we demonstrated vehicle compute use cases. Now here we are doing it with ADAS and infotainment, everything as a part of it. So that's purely from an end-to-end development standpoint. On the right, if you look at it, we have an onboard security manager here, wherein which attacks are going to, this is on a Qualcomm chip. This is going to be you attack the infotainment cluster, and then it recognizes it, and then it loads it onto the cloud part of it, actually. So this is purely from cloud, onboard security, and everything that this is concerned. The second part of it is penetration testing in a box, right? Wherein which you don't have to move when you can't bring everything for your test environment. You just carry the suitcase, and then various things that you see it as a part of it, right? I mean, it could be a Wi-Fi thing, it could be Ethernet, all of those testings that you could directly do it, and then penetration testing in a box. The last is the NI. We are a partner with NI Systems as well. This is going to be creation of test cases, virtual testing, testing of it, hardware platform, everything that you wanted to do it from the cloud is something that we do. So the majority of the theme, if you look at it, is end-to-end software-defined. We wanted to be engineering a software-defined future, and which is also about bringing in the customer experience and the partnership ecosystem together. Tata Technologies is the umbrella that brings it together.
Thanks a lot, Sriram, for sharing those interesting perspectives on the partnership-led and the collaborative approach that we have taken. Now, moving on, I would like, and our viewers would like to know, that how Tata Technologies is integrating digital and traditional engineering to inspire the next generation of engineers. How are we equipping them with skills necessary to lead the era of software-defined products and intelligent systems?
New age skill set is the new currency, right? I mean, as you talk about, as you could see this, our tagline is we are engineering a software-defined future. When we talk about software-defined future, when we wanted to be a leader in this, it comes down to cutting-edge skill sets, because you are doing cutting-edge work. As I explained it in earlier, right from the development going into testing, end-to-end, if you wanted to be a system integrator, skills becomes the newer currency. And for that, there are multiple things that we are doing it. One, we wanted to partner with some of the best universities to bring in the talent, and we also use our internal systems like I Get It, which is our learning things to upskill people who can learn from the mechanical skill sets into the engineering, to the AI world, and to the newer digital skill sets. And also, trying to reach out and attract the best in talent that is available in the marketplace, who are fit for purpose, because as the portfolio of work significantly changes, as the world moves more and more towards a software-defined products and services, our skill set is going to be very, very different and unique, and we are geared up for this.
Thanks a lot, Sriram. Amazing. And I'm quite sure a lot of our listeners will feel inspired by the discussion that we have just had. So I would now like to introduce Shankara to explain how do these SDV demos highlight Tata Technologies' expertise in integrating next generation technologies like high performance compute into the vehicles.
So what we have here is the two demonstrations for high performance computing. So like you remember last year we had the NXP S32G3 where we introduced our high compute platform based on SOFI EVOL orchestration. What we are doing this year is moving more towards a centralized SDV architecture where we have started consolidating a lot of different domains onto a single SoC. So what you see here is one of the demonstrations using the Dolphin system on chip, which combines the ADAS plus cockpit, all of it into a single SoC. We have like about 8 different applications, all of them running on a single chip. So starting from the cluster, which was the safety island, and then we have an infotainment, passenger entertainment, head-up display, front camera, driver monitoring system, surround view monitor, and rear seat entertainment. So you can see all of them over here. So starting with, we have the navigation, which is shown on the IVI display. Then you have a cluster, and then you see the passenger entertainment, and then you have the rear seat entertainment and the head-up display. And you can also look at the object detection front camera, and then the surround view monitoring system, which is the live camera feed coming in from the dummy vehicle over here. And as well as this particular front camera detection is based on the video feed, what's going on over here is captured online live, and it's being shown here on this particular screen. So what's unique about this solution is that we are able to combine multiple different domains onto a single chip with 2 different configurations, with a hypervisor or without a hypervisor. And now we have another demo running on the NXP IMX95 here. Again, this is actually a heterogeneous compute SoC which packs in a powerful CPU, GPU, NPU, and a microcontroller island all into a single chip, which helps us in achieving a deterministic communication along with service-oriented architecture. So you can see that we have a small dashboard showing in the different outputs coming in from the NXP board. All of this is implemented based on a SOFI containerized architecture, which packs in AutoSAR-based middleware, Covesa, Eclipse SDV, and along with the SOFI EVOL layer orchestrating in it. So both these demos consolidate our expertise in the area of software integration for software-defined vehicles, all the way from the middleware to the application, then to the cloud. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, Shankara, for sharing these interesting insights. I would now like to introduce Jenu, our Global Cybersecurity Practice Head, to share what cybersecurity solutions Tata Technologies is developing for software-defined vehicles to ensure data protection and vehicle safety in increasingly connected environments.
Thank you, Akash. Thank you for introducing me. We have an entire solution across the V-cycle in Tata Technologies for cybersecurity. So on the left, we have our cybersecurity solutions running on the Snapdragon 8155 architecture. So we have the entire onboard security manager that can be enabled and disabled on the fly. So here you see the Snapdragon 8155 running the infotainment system, and this is the attack system that shows that once you attack the system security manager can kick in, and it will detect the attack and it will recover from it and also push the information to the off-board monitoring system. So here you see is something called as a penetration testing box. So we have developed a solution that puts all the interfaces into this small box so that we can test ECUs on the fly. So let's imagine a system, you have built a big hill rig that needs to be tested. So we can bring in this penetration testing lab or a small movable kit into your solution, and we can check all the interfaces. So the demo that we are showing here is we are wirelessly attacking the IMX95 system there, and then we are capturing the data packets that's being sent there, and then we modify the packets that's being sent to the cloud, and then we show this demo here. As we move to the next one, we are showing how we can virtually connect the virtual ECUs to the hill rig so that we can left shift our development more, and we can validate the security solutions that we are building onto the hill rig, so it doesn't need to be everything on the virtually. So we can run this on this software defined switches based system where you can configure the interfaces according to the ECUs that we want to test. And this NICE VeriStand helps us to understand about how we can test the virtual ECUs running on the cloud directly in conjunction with the hill while we left shift this and make the solutions more faster and easier to execute. So our contribution on this is to develop the test cases, test framework, and test on the cybersecurity. Hill will seal all types of model and everything in this one. So thank you so much.
Thanks, Jenu, for
Yeah.
sharing those interesting insights on cybersecurity solutions offered by Tata Technologies. So, as you heard, Tata Technologies leaders and subject matter experts on SDV explaining how Tata Technologies is transforming its brand to focus on software-led product engineering, smart manufacturing, and AI, while reiterating our commitment to make SDVs a reality as part of engineering a software-defined future. If you happen to be at ELIV, please visit our booth and learn more about our offerings. Together, we are engineering a software-defined future, one innovative solution at a time. Now, let us take you through the startup area at ELIV. The startup area at ELIV provides an exciting opportunity and platform for young companies to showcase their innovations at ELIV. This exclusive opportunity allows emerging businesses to present their developments to an international audience of decision makers, specialists, and industry leaders from vehicle manufacturers and suppliers, as well as service providers. Additionally, participants will have the chance to connect with representatives from universities, fostering collaboration and networking. The startup area is a hub for innovation and a unique space to explore groundbreaking ideas that they are shaping for the future of automotive technology. Don't miss the opportunity to engage with this dynamic community. As you can see, there are various sessions lined up by various young innovators in automotive electronics. And as we make our way through, what we will see in coming time is one of the startup, Ineo Mobility, and Tata Technologies collaborating on an exciting product for mass mobility. Here we would have Rinath speak on the collaboration that we have with Ineo Mobility. So here we are looking at the vehicle on display by Ineo Mobility, where Tata Technologies is driving SDV-led innovation in collaboration with Ineo Mobility. Ineo Mobility is a German startup which provides smart mobility solutions for the masses. This vehicle features smart energy management systems, integrated infotainment, and the use of AI to create a more intuitive driving experience. Isn't this a part of our journey towards engineering a software-defined future? Indeed. This brings up to the end of the live session with Tata Technologies transforming its brand to focus on software-led product engineering, smart manufacturing, and AI. If you happen to be at ELIV, please visit our booth and learn more about our offerings. Together, we are engineering a software-defined future, one innovative solution at a time.